Atharva Joshi, and I was one of the interns in your company for the past 2 months. I was in the social media marketing team. So to start off, I would like to thank you and Neeti ma'am as well as the whole SEMSWeb solution team for giving me this opportunity to work with you for the past 2 months. I would like to tell that you and Neeti ma'am told us some very important marketing tactics which will be really helpful for us in the future, and I'm really looking forward to it to use all those tactics in future. uh, yes, apart from that, I would like to say that my team was really great. I had a very fun team to work with, and it was a real pleasure to work with such team. Yeah, so thank you so much for
It is really very joyful and informative experience for me. I learned so many things from this workshop. Actually, I am from a mechanical engineering background, so this sector is totally new for me. Then also, I participate in our internship, and it's very nice experience for me. I learned so many things, in this sector. Actually, I learned how to make a poster, how to give hashtags. This man, before this internship, I have not made any poster, any type of poster, and so it's very interesting, and I use this experience or this poster making technique in our college also. I made a lot of posters for my college, and they appreciate me for that poster, so I am very thankful to all of you, and thanks for giving me the opportunity to work with all of you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hello to all members of Teams Group. I'm Abhishek Kumar Saxena. I would like to thank you all for giving me such a wonderful opportunities for being a social media marketing intern at your organization. Before this internship, I had no idea about social media marketing. But now I can confidently say that I have enjoyed a lot and I have gained a lot of skills in the past 2 months. Also, I'm so grateful for the experience and exposure you gave me, and especially I enjoyed handling your Facebook and Twitter handles. During these 2 months, I made a lot of videos and posters regarding various important events and days such as Yoga Day, Doctor Day. Also, I've attended various webinars like such as Basics of Canva, Adobe Premiere Pro, and what will be the labor market post COVID-19. So that's how I gained a lot of skills. Also, I came to know about what are the various marketing strategies and tactics. I would love to be stay in touch with your organization, and if there's any opening down the road, I hope you will let me know so that I can apply. Thank you again for this incredible internship, and I wish you and the team all the very best. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Akshay Godade and I am from Shiga, Maharashtra, currently pursuing MBA, and I did my summer internship program at Sims Web Solution, and I came to know about this internship from our campus placement group. First of all, I have to say that I, I am very grateful for the opportunity that Sims Group provided to me, and I have to thank Atul sir for the kind of support they provided me throughout the 2 month work, and also Nidhi ma'am also helped me throughout the work schedule, and they provide a very good experience to the newcomers. So it is a very good to have such mentors, and it is a very for my fellow friends. I would like to recommend to join Sims Group for if you want to excel in your career. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ishita Datta, and I completed my internship with SEMS Webs. And I would like to say that my experience was amazing. I learned a lot, and the team has been very helpful for me to learn how to work with teams and how to improve my social media skills. I have I have worked with them for 1 month, and my internship is about to end. And the kind of knowledge I got, the kind of experience I got, it is very, very valuable. The team has been amazing. The coordinators are amazing. They are very, very helpful. And the meetings that they conduct, they give you proper review. They help you grow better. They even point out things that might have missed by you and how you can improve with things. I was handling the Facebook as well as the Twitter, and for the Facebook I was handling DigiSaksham, and for Twitter I was handling Sam's Webs, and my handling was improving day by day because of the reviews that I got from the coordinators, and with the help of the team I also learned how we can learn the Facebook algorithm, how we can improve with our posts, and how to work with the team, what all do we need to distribute when it comes to working. So thank you so much for all the experience and everything. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Kani Keswani. Firstly, I would like to thank Seams for providing the great opportunity for the duration of these 2 months. It was a great experience overall. I got to learn many new things like social media marketing, sales marketing, and also interaction with the audience, and also how to make interactive posters, how to run the canvas. Lastly, I thanks everyone for this support, and special thanks to Sims. And also lastly, thank you again. Looking forward to this, I will work with you again. Thank you.
Jupia Rathod. I'm working with the sales group since 2 months, and right now it's time to say a goodbye as an intern. Thank you so much for giving us a chance to do an internship in this lockdown period, and I want to say a big thank you to the sales group and all the organizations to arrange such kind of internship program in this COVID situations. So really a big thank you for that. The experience of the internship is amazing. The journey is really a great. Firstly, at the starting of the internship, I get nervous because the company is the IT sector and I am a student of a mechanical. So as I am fit with this company, but all the leaders who lead us during the internship, they always motivate us, encourage us. Yes, you can do it. All the tasks. So yes, I do as per my ability. So thank you for this, all the encouragement, such support. Thank you so much. For me, it's really hard to leave this company. Yes, I am working from home, but still the bond is getted to this company, and I'm good to work with your company for any future opportunity, and I'm really glad to work with you. So thank you for all the things. I'm really happy and glad to work with you. Thank you.
Good afternoon, this is Priyansh Srivastav. I work as an intern in the field of social media marketing in Seams Web's Private Solution. I would like to thank Seams Web's Private Solution for giving me a great opportunity to work as an intern in the epidemic condition of coronavirus. I have learned many things, starting from handling social media accounts, creating posters, as well as promoting it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. I would also like to extend my thanks to Atul sir, Neeti ma'am, and Sakshi ma'am for their constant effort and support throughout the internship. I have a really great experience so far as concerned. Thank you for all of your support.
Hi everyone, my name is Swamini Narendra Jadhav. I am pursuing BTech in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering. Recently, I have completed 2 months internship in Sims Webs Private Limited, where I was part of research and development team, and I work for DigiSaksham. Here I learn about different skills like data fetching, data analysis. Then I learn about presentation skills. Here I collected data for the different webinars, which were Google Classroom webinar, Photoshop webinar. Then I collected data for the different colleges and did TPO contact with them. Then I also work with the graphical designing team, where I make promotional videos for the different courses provided by DigiSaksham. It was very great experience to work with the Sims Webs.
Hello all, my name is Taha Mustafa Bhara. First of all, I would like to thank SEMS Group for giving me such an amazing opportunity. I was given a role of content marketing as an intern at SEMS Group. The internship was 2 months long, during which I had to write content, blogs on different topics and domains out there. As a result, I got to take deep dive into those domains and gain much experience and knowledge out of it. Apart from that, I got to know what content marketing is, what role it plays, how important it is, and different aspects of it. While I used to write content or blog, I used to undergo a lot of research as well as thinking, which enhanced my thinking capability and researching skills. Last, I'm very grateful to SEMS Group for giving me this opportunity and letting me explore the world of content marketing. Thank you.
I am Arti from Central College of Engineering, Kopergaon. I have pursuing MBA in marketing specialization. I have interns in SimsWeb's company from last 2 months. I would happy to say that I have able to gain lots of new things in this company. I have gained valuable insights in marketing and business development over those 2 months. I want to thank you for giving me opportunity to closely work in business insights. I want to thank you for SimsWeb's team, were extremely welcoming and helpful, offered me terrific advice and guidance. Once again, a big thank you for my end. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Yogesh Kumre. I got very good experience at SimsWebs as a designer and a very planned internship with well coordination among the team members. Thank you so much.
Hello friends, my name is Rushikesh Deshmukh from Shiga. I did internship on simswebs.com. This is the good experience from social media marketing and advertising. Thank you for Atul sir, Sakshi ma'am and Nidhi ma'am.
Hi guys, this is Akshay. I have completed my 2 months of internship with SIMS Group. It was very great. Thanks for this wonderful experience.
Hello, my name is Harshal Mahabsate and I was in a social media marketing team. So for 2 months we are doing this. I'm doing this internship with the SIMS Group. It is the best experience I have ever experienced. So while doing this, I got to know about the many things about the social media marketing team, social media marketing. So this is the best experience, and this is gonna help me while searching for the jobs and needing reference. And as we know all know that the practical knowledge is more effective than the class. The knowledge we are getting in a colleges or in a classroom, so it is more valuable under my. It is the valuable thing which is under my belt, and I can use this knowledge while doing my job and doing my job. So thank you so much for this internship program from SIMS Group. Thank you Nidhi ma'am. Thank you Atul sir for this experience.
Hello sir ma'am, I am Bhagyashree Patil. First of all, thank you sir ma'am for giving me this golden opportunity to work with you as an intern. In this 2 months of internship, I learned a lot of things, that how to handle social media marketing, and if I got any query, then Niti ma'am or Atul sir always guided me, and I got a guide like you sir and ma'am. Thank you so much. So it was a very good experience to work with you. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sandeep Vittal Kola. I recently worked with the SIMS Group on the position of social media marketing intern. I got a new platform from there. I learned how different types of social media can be helpful for our business and our work. I learned how YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn can be used to grow our business. I also learned from there. That is some important things. That is marketing analysis and data analysis. So it's really pleasant working from there. We have also good stuff for our any help. So this is where my experience with SIMS Group. Thank you so much.
I had a wonderful time at SEMS Group. It was my very first internship. I was very nervous, but when I started my internship, everyone made me feel very welcomed. I learned time management, I learned how to deal with deadlines, and also how to work as a team. So I'm very grateful and honored to have completed my internship through SEMS. Thank you.
Lot of things which are related to HR persons and the management. Thanks. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I am Subhash Konar, pursuing my degree from B Instrumentation from AISSMS IOIT Pune. Being from a technical background, I have always wanted to showcase my creative writing skills, landing myself an internship with SIMS Web Solution. The team members and mentors were very helpful and friendly and taught us how can we make our writing stand out from the others. Because of this internship, I got an amazing opportunity to know how the corporate world works and following deadlines. I would also take this opportunity to thank Atul sir and Sakshi ma'am for smooth onboarding process, as well as Neeti ma'am for such an amazing internship opportunity. And I would like to thank SIMS Web Solutions for giving us this opportunity. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Mandar Nilrokale. I have completed 2 months of internship in SIMS Group. I am grateful that I work with SIMS Group. I learned a lot of things like social media marketing. This social media marketing will surely help me in the future. Thank you so much for this great opportunity.
Hello everyone, a warm gratitude to all my mentors from my side. Talking about the journey which I had with SimsWeb is quite interesting and full of learning. If in one line I say I find my own interest in a particular domain while working with SimsWeb. Talking in a brief, my journey consists of the 3 steps on which I work throughout my internship. The first one is thinking from others' perspective, which is very important for the self-development as well for an organization development. The second one is following a healthy deadline, which is also a very crucial thing in any industry. The third one is I met with different people, communicate to them, and find and grow myself into a good team player. Now, the second thing, talking about my mentors, which is a very important thing. So, talking about my mentor, I would just say one word to my mentor is thank you, Neeti ma'am, Sakshi ma'am, and Atul sir for giving me a chance to be a part of your organization, for being such a supportive mentor that you were always whenever I need to correct me, to give me suggestion on the topic, to make best out of me. All these things matters a lot to me. And of course, if by the grace of God, if I get a chance to work in future with SimsWeb, I would love to work with SimsWeb. Thank you.
Hello everyone. My name is Saw and I am working in the research and the SMM department from the SimsWeb Solutions. And my experience was so good, so I can't explain in words. And I have learned many things. That is how to make the posters and how to research any things and many more. So thank you sir, and thank you ma'am. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Musafir to be here from Pragati School, Prague University, Bangladesh. I'm appointed as a research intern at December 2nd week in SME Foundation, India. And I'm doing my internship quite well and learn some new things as a corporate team, as the international conference arrangement, and also the business idea. All the things will be guided by my mentor who are helping me as a student of internship in EMS Foundation. I'm really happy to work with this foundation because they are really good and I learned lots of things from this foundation and I'm really happy to work with them in near future as well. During my internship, I'm mainly assigned from the research analytic work for organizational, financial, and the marketing perspectives, how they are well in the market, what content they need to focus, and how they are actually uh, overcome their failure and make success in their business. As I am a research student at the initial level, I face lots of difficulty to understand, analyze the report, and so on. And I contact with my mentor teacher or the person who assigned from the foundation that he helped me a lot during this work. I'm learning how to analyze the report, writing the uh, proposal writing, and also I am quite good now as analytic of the research in the marketing department. But my main focus is the financial analyst, and I'm not left behind from this part as well. My major is finance, and I am working several financial part of this organization as well. Like I am assigned for small tasks of one website that what they are failing to make money, and I analyze their financial criteria and find that they are really not manage their financial inflow and outflow, and that's why they make the loss several times. And lastly, I am working as a conference uh, monitor for that, arranging conference uh, from the group level, like emailing the conference person, like these kinds of work. And finally, I am a proud member of this foundation to sustain a long run throughout the journey of this organization. I got the membership of 5 years from this foundation, and I'm really happy to work with the organization to learn some practical knowledge and at the same time to apply my theoretical knowledge in the real life work. To know the industry, to know all of these things, I'm really glad and proud to be a part of this foundation. And thanks a lot for all of your support and all the things. That's it. Thank you again for selecting me as the intern student of this.
Hello, this is Chetan Santan Shive. Thank you for giving me exciting opportunity as an intern in social media marketing. It was great a learning experience. In social media marketing, I made many posters and videos and learned lot of things like work in team, then social media algorithms and many more. Your experience and advice is truly invaluable and helpful throughout just 2 months. And thank you for showing confidence in my abilities. I sincerely appreciate the opportunity. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Sushma. I hope you are safe and healthy. So today our internship gonna be end, but I think it's not the end. It's a new startup of R in the social media. So coming to my internship experience, it was really a very nice experience. I learned a lot of new things. Before coming in this internship, I was not much well known about the social media handles, but now I got a confidence about these handles. So I also learn a lot of things like a team management skill also. So thanks for the team members, sir and ma'am. Because of their proper guidance, we achieve up to this. Thank you, Sims Web Solution.
it's very good experience with Sims Web Solution. Thank you for internship, give me a chance and appreciation for by the company. Thank you.
I am Gaurav Chahal, one of the interns from the Sims group. So the internship is over, but I would like to say that I learned a lot of new things from this internship. Rather, it was my second internship, and I was able to learn a lot of new things, new topics regarding the internship, and I hope this will definitely help me in the coming future. And the team was very cooperative, and the entire Sims group was very helpful and very cooperative, which helped us to gain much more knowledge about the related field that we worked in. And thank you very much, especially to the Sims group, which helped all the students, all the entire team to gain so much knowledge, which will definitely help us in future. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, I am Goraknath Prakash Jadhav. Today I am sharing my experience with SMS Web Solution. From last 2 months, I work as a social media marketing intern in SMS Web Solution. So, I learned a lot of things from there, which will help me in future. I want to thank Neeti ma'am and Atul sir who had guided me at every stage whenever needed, and my team members were also very supportive. At last, I thanks to SMS Web Solution providing this opportunity to me. Thank you.
Hello guys, I am Pundlik Gaikwad, and I am doing the internship at Sims Webs. It's very nice to be a part of such an organization where I learn some the new things which are not part of my field. So today, yesterday I received the mail that your internship completion certificate. So I'm very happy now to tell you that I have received the new skills in these 2 months, the skills which are not part of my branch, and these skills are very amazing to learn. So first, when I think that the graphic designing, that is it looks like very tough to me, but eventually the mentors are such a good that they provide each and every instructions how to do that part, what is those things. So eventually those things are become easier for me. So thank you for giving me such an opportunity to be a part of the Sims Webs organization. So again, thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Vijay Yadav and I am here to share my experience working with SMS Web Solution as an intern in social media marketing department. It was very wonderful and learningful journey for me. I have learned new type of skill sets, knowledge and experience, and I am looking forward to use this in my future. I would like to thank Neeti ma'am and Atul sir for giving me this opportunity. Thank you SMS Web Solution.
Hi, I am Sandeep Kankanan from Pune. I am studying in the MA2 ADD University in the Pune. I am in the final year of my degree. I got a great opportunity to work as an intern in the same group of company. I have worked as a research and data intern in the same group of company for 2 months, and it was an amazing experience to work with them. The same group of company motivate the students and boost the potential of students in their respective fields. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Rugved Folkmare. And as an intern I am working with the Sims group from last 2 months. Actually I was the part of a sales and marketing team of a Sims group, and wherein we have responsibility to promote certain webinars that were been arranged by the Sims group during this time, and we promote these things on a different social media handles through telecalling and many other possible means, and it was very good, and we get good exposure, and we feel certain improvement in our communication skills, and later on we also got the opportunity to work for social media marketing of a Sims group, wherein they have a lot also 2 handles. One is Health Cafe, which is from Facebook, and another is Fame Lead, which is from LinkedIn. and as a LinkedIn is a professional media, and we are also new with this, and through this experience we got to learn many things, and it was very valuable experience for us, and Niti ma'am and Atul sir also guide us in a very exciting way, very interesting way, and in a very unique way. And during this internship time, we have also got the opportunity to attend certain webinars that are arranged by the SIMS group, and such as one of webinars on know how about Canva software, how to make a slides, how to make a posters on it, and many other things that many other webinars that are related to our fraternity. It was a very interesting, very valuable, and very exploring experience for us, and we are really thankful towards Atul sir and Niti ma'am, and also towards the SIMS group.
Good morning everyone. This is Gopal Kanade from SSGMC Segaon. I am working as an intern with SEMS Web Solutions Private Limited. I had completed this internship during 2 months, so I had a very nice experience of learning in as a post of intern. I learned various things such as social media marketing, content writing, etc. In this case, in this internship, I also work on Facebook ad manager, also work for various client groups, and also work for LinkedIn ad manager. I also had a very good experience of managing and analyzing various groups which are given by SEMS Web Solutions Private Limited. We had given various content or posts to be posted on our personal account, social media account such as Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. We also had given various Twitter handle, social media handles, Facebook handle, Instagram handle of various posts such as of various clients such as Health Cafe and FM Leads. We also learned various new things in this regard. We also had a good experience of communication with other people as well as clients in case of social media marketing. We learned various things such as content writing, development of content, and analyzing the content in SEMS Webs. I would like to thank Mr. Atul sir, Miss Niti ma'am, and Sakshi ma'am for giving us opportunity to work as an intern. I would also like to thank SEMS Webs for their opportunity to work as an intern. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Gloria. I would like to thank SEMS Welfare for providing such a great opportunity for students. It has helped me a lot to add a lot of skills to my profile, and I would like to appreciate our mentor for supporting throughout this journey. And I think it was a great success for me, and thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Deepali Nirge, and I was a social media marketing intern at SIMS Group Solution. I enjoyed working with you during my internship. It taught me a lot about how to handle a variety of situations. I truly feel each and every experience I had while working here will stay with me as I move through my career. So again, thank you from bottom of my heart to each one you had a part in helping me to gain confidence. Thank you.
Hello, I am Disha, an intern at SEMS Web Solutions. 2 months ago, I joined here as a content marketing intern. I had no experience in marketing, and hence this was a big challenge for me. But under the humble guidance of Atul sir, Sakshi ma'am, and Niti ma'am, this challenge became a beautiful journey. I learned a lot of things here and gained a lot of knowledge. I even developed my content writing skills. Surely, this is gonna help me in my future. I once again thank SEMS for giving me this beautiful opportunity to work with these exciting people and this exciting team. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Vinay and I joined SEMS Webs on June 10th as a digital marketing intern. Our mentors were really supportive. Atul sir as well as Niti ma'am helped us a lot in every stage. They taught us new things. The workshops on simple workshops on Canva were really supportive. I learned how to design posters. I learned how to market these things. I learned how to grow an Instagram and Facebook account, and these will definitely help me in my future as a digital marketer. I got to work with amazing people. The team that I worked with for the past 1 month has been a really amazing team. We are a team of 3 people, but they taught me a lot of new things, and I learned and I got to work in an environment that is really professional. So the experience for me has been really amazing. I enjoyed every task that was assigned to me. I never felt any pressure to do any tasks, and I'll always enjoy and cherish my time at SEMS Webs. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nachiket Shende from MIT Academy of Engineering in final year of Mechanical. I have done my internship in SEMS Web Solution, wherein I was assigned the task of writing blogs. My main domain was to write a blog for Femleads Association, wherein I have taken many interviews of the women entrepreneurs or the successful women in my area or in my surroundings. I have completed my internship with a great enthusiasm and a great support from SEMS Web Solutions. Whenever I found myself stuck in some situation, the members or the organization was ready to help me, and I got a new experience that how I can handle new people, or how can I take interviews, what kind of questions I should ask them, and how to grab information from the ladies or from the society, and that we are more exposed to the self-learning, like what all content should be written, in what manner should be written, how many words should it have, and many more. So I thank SEMS Web Solution for their support and for giving me an opportunity as a content writer in their organization, and I also thank them to make myself more industry ready to explore such new things. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all. First of all, I would like to thank all the jury members of SEM Foundation for having me on board and for giving me this opportunity of being a management intern in your organization. Unfortunately, I was not able to complete my internship due to my academics, but indeed it was a nice experience, the time which I have spent with your organization. Personally, I would like to thank Atul sir for being a very good mentor, for being a very good HR. The thing that I liked about this organization is that everything was systematic and was organized and was on the schedule. I was not able to complete this internship, although I very enjoyed the period which I was there, and I learned something new. For example, I learned how to make a GD, I learned poster making. So thank you Atul sir for that, and once again thank you SEMS Foundation for having me this on board and giving me this opportunity of internship. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Ashish. First of all, I would like to thank SEMS Group for an internship program in this COVID-19 pandemic situation. The perfect management and the regular interactions helped us a lot. I learned working solo as well as in team. I get experience working in a marketing department. We get motivation from the management like Niti ma'am, Atul sir. It was a very nice experience working with SEMS Group. Thank you SEMS. Thank you DG Saksham.
Namaste everyone. So it's been so nice to work with the SEMS group, and I would really like to thank Aniti ma'am, Atul sir for always cooperating me, especially the my Premiere Pro seminar. So thank you so much.
Hey everyone, this is Manoj, and I have started my internship on 9th of June 2020 in SEMS Webs. Actually, I have allotted the department R&D, and I was happy with it. So first of all, beginning with the task like comparative analysis of the different competitors of the SEMS Webs. So in that, Atul sir has guided us about do the comparative analysis for different countries. So it would be helpful for me for when I will be going in the future and wanted to start my own business. So I'm really thankful for this. Along with it, there are so many tasks were assigned to me, like collection, fetching the data of different dentists in all over the India, and along with adding to this, I also had allotted the task for fetching the data of the different NGOs in Maharashtra, Uttarakhand, UP. So all over this states in the India, I have fetched around 7,200 plus data and collected this from the NGO Darpan website, and we got to learn about how to the company works, because each department is interlinked with each other. So we got to get to idea that when we will be fetching the data, then how the social media marketing or the marketing team will be working upon this. So it was an amazing experience with this. And in between, when we will be having any difficulty, we are frankly used to ask the Sakshi ma'am, and she is responding us like very careful manner. So it was like, the way of this internship went was really amazing, and the internship was on the task basis, so it helped me to manage this time according my schedule. So I really appreciate this, that because for these some internships are like, you need to present for a daily 8 hours a day, but this internship was on the task basis, and we have to accomplish this task within a deadline. So we get to learn about the discipline as well as the how to be keen with our deadlines. So there are so many work ethics we should have to follow. We get to learn from the Atul sir, Sakshi ma'am. Thank you so much for such a wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Hello, I am Omkar Hindarao Mane, and today I am glad to say that I have worked with SAMS Private Limited. I had 2-month internship in it, and during this internship I get to learn the various aspects of the Canvas app, which was used for the photo editing, video editing, poster making, and making presentation of it. And also had experience in working with marketing and sales department, which I have interaction with the customers, making approval for it, for the same, getting. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself is Pranali Gaikwad from Walchand College of Engineering, Sangli. I am specialized in mechanical engineering. Recently, I have completed my 2 months of internship in a SEAMS group. I had worked in a marketing and sales department. As an engineer, we always thought about how to design things, but we never thought what actually the market needs, whether that things are affordable for them or not. But SEAMS group had given me this opportunity to actually enter into the market and know what are the desires and aspirations of the market. Working in a marketing and sales department is a quite new experience for me. SEAMS Group had introduced a new world of marketing where we had explored ourselves a lot. SEAMS Group made me study on various different chapters like a public relations, which are definitely going to help me in my upcoming careers. SEAMS Group had made me self-confident and developed my personality thoroughly. So at the end, I would like to thank to the whole team of SEAMS Group for giving this golden opportunity. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, myself Tanya Anantara Sarode, and I have been interned for 2 months in graphic design department. When I think about the journey, so far it is nothing less than a blessing. When I started the internship, everything was pretty new to me. I was talking and working with different people of different ages and sphere. Each person taught me something really valuable. In this internship, I met some wonderful people like Sakshi ma'am, Atul sir, and Niti ma'am, who inspired me to push my limits. In this internship period, I learned and explored many new technologies in graphic design field and new software which are used for graphic design. Also, how to present our idea and concept to the client, and developing new designs for different brands. This internship helped me to improve and increase my personal skills and attributes, and I am sure it will help me in my future career growth. I have no words to thank all the Sims graphic design team. At last, I feel I'm indeed lucky to have chosen this internship. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Gayatri Satish Bhagwatkar. I am an intern at Sims Group from last 2 months. It was a great experience for me. I learned a lot of new things from Sims Group. I am a part of social media marketing, so I have to promote new things which are arranged by Sims Group. The guide over there are Atul sir and Niti ma'am. They always support us, motivating us. During this internship, we got the opportunity to attend a certain certificate webinars which are arranged by Sims Group. We have to promote these webinars to with social media. So it was a great experience for me. So thank you so much, Atul sir. Thank you, Niti ma'am. Thank you, Sims Group. Thank you.
Hi, it was a really good experience working here with you guys. I got to learn a lot of new things, and I also got to know more about the research and data analysis, and also got a lot of information and experience about the graphical designing field. So I was really lucky to have this internship, and I'm very thankful for giving me this opportunity. It was a really good experience working with you guys. Thank you.